Hey there, what's up everyone? Today I'll be showing you a very popular Sichuan spicy cold dish called Kou Shui Ji. This is a very simple but delicious dish. Give it a try. Let's get started. So first of all, we need to prep the chicken. I have some chicken legs. Get yourself some spring onions, some ginger, shaoxing cooking wine, and a few Sichuan peppercorns. If you can't get yourself any Sichuan peppercorns, don't worry about it. So now we need to cook the chicken. Cold water into the wok, chicken legs in, mash some ginger and spring onions. They go into the wok, Sichuan peppercorns in, some cooking wine, just a little bit in, bring it to a boil. Right, turn it down to gentle heat. Teaspoon of salt, and we need to let this cook for about 20 minutes so the chicken is thoroughly cooked through. Just let it slowly cook, and now we're going to prep the sauce. So you might be wondering why we need to add ginger, spring onions, and Sichuan peppercorn into the wok. It gives the chicken extra flavor and makes it more aromatic. Now we're going to make a sauce for our Kou Shui Ji. Get yourself a few cloves of garlic. I'm using 6. You can use more if you want extra garlic flavor, and finely mince it. There you go. 1 chili. I'm using a bigger chili. You can use the smaller chilies if you want it to be extra spicy. Slice it finely. MSG, 1 teaspoon. Chicken powder, half a teaspoon. Sugar, 2 teaspoons. Sichuan peppercorn oil. Give it 1 tablespoon. That should be enough. It's quite numbing. This is chili oil. You can buy these from Chinese supermarkets. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the oil and a bit of the chili. If you want it more spicy, you can always add some more. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce, half a tablespoon. Chinese vinegar, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons for this. I've got some broth here from the chicken that's cooking. Add a little bit to your sauce. This will enhance the flavor. Give it a mix. If you have sesame seeds, you can add a bit into it as well. And there you are, guys. If you like, you can have a cucumber base. This is to make it look more presentable. Peel off some of the skin, halve it, and remove the center. Just cut it into fine strips. So, the chicken's been cooking for about 20 minutes now. One way to check if your chicken is cooked is if you get a stick, get your chicken, and you poke it through the thigh. If you can still see blood, that means it needs a bit more time. So, give it a few more minutes. So, this should be ready now. Off the heat, use the tongue, grab your chicken into the bowl. Now we need to run it in some cold water. So basically, we need to cool the chicken down for a few minutes. Try not to let the water hit the skin. It'll ruin the skin. Just let your chicken sit in cold water for a few minutes. Save this broth. You can use it in your dishes, or you can use it to make rice. This is a very good chicken stock. Drain your chicken out. Now it's time to serve the dish. Get yourself a chopping cleaver. Chicken leg, chop it into smaller pieces. Three chicken legs should be enough for this plate. Get your sauce and just pour it on the chicken. Coat the chicken thoroughly with the sauce. Add a few spring onions if you like. And there you are, guys. This is how you make Kou Shui Ji Sichuan spicy chicken. Chicken's nice and tender. If you want your dish more spicy, you can add more chili oil. If you want it more sour, you can add more vinegar. So give your sauce a taste to your preference before pouring it on the chicken. I hope you enjoy this dish. Give it a try. I'll catch you next time. Bye!